Okay, today we bring out the big guns. X-fly model A-10 Thunderbolt 2 twin 50. Let's see if we can get this puppy in the air. She's all ready. Throwing it in safe. Here we go. Nice, she's up. She sounds beautiful. Nice looking jet. Got 1 minute. This thing flies so nicely. 30 seconds. We're going to have to stop bringing her in. We're going to come in. Look how lovely that thing flies. Perfect. That is such a beautiful plane. Unbelievable, this plane. This thing lands and flies phenomenally. It's a beautiful thing. Throttle cuts on. Look at that. Fucking beautiful landing. Gorgeous jet. Let's see how that battery did. That was 3 minutes, 8 seconds. Oh, let me unplug it first. Ooh, yeah. Ah, feel it. It's warm.
More than warm.
battery's like fucking... What? Could be. It's like 90 degrees. 1%? What the hell? Why would that drain it like that? In the winter, it flies at like 26% left. But holy shit. And this is a 120C battery. Discharge. Okay, we gotta let this cool off. Get it in the shade. I don't want to put it in the car. We'll let that cool off right there in the shade. Alright, up next is my daughter's flight with the dolphin. Right there. Alright, have a good day.